こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas de Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we're gonna overview Japanese vowel sounds. Campanas de Japanese. Have you ever thought about what a vowel is? The mechanics of it? Maybe not. A vowel, in general, is a sound you produce without blocking the air passing through your mouth. And with your vocal cords here vibrating. And of course, this applies to Japanese vowel sounds. In the Japanese language, there are 5 vowel sounds. A, I, U, E, O. When you learn the vowel sounds, there are 3 things you might want to keep in mind. Number 1, how wide you open your mouth. You have to open your mouth this wide, or this wide, or this wide. Number 2, where your tongue is placed inside your mouth. Your tongue moves forward like this, or backward like this, or in between. Number 3, whether you round your lips or not. Like this, or like this. These 3 things make you produce different vowel sounds. Depending on your native language, you may feel it's quite easy to learn or master Japanese vowel sounds. A, I, U, E, O. If you can easily pronounce these 5 vowel sounds at this point, you don't need to learn how to pronounce them. But it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. Because both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters, meaning each character corresponds to one sound, with few exceptions. So it's best to learn both Japanese pronunciation and hiragana at the same time. Also, you might want to check out my videos about nasal vowels, devoicing, and prolonged vowel sounds. I don't think many people are familiar with these 3 topics. We are going to learn them after we finish learning Japanese consonant sounds. Alright, did you get the picture? If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. Alright, take care. じゃあねー。